Hey, welcome to LoveLiveSave. I actually wrote so many laundry couponing deals this week that I had to split it into two deal videos. So here are 10 more laundry supplies couponing deals that you can do this Saturday, September 9th at Dollar General. But before I get started, don't forget, make sure you subscribe here to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of my future couponing deals. I post two Dollar General couponing deal videos every day of the week, usually around 7:30 and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I don't want you to miss out, so make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. If you enjoy the deals, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up like button on today's deal video. It is an awesome way to support my work here at LoveLiveSave, and it is greatly appreciated. For tonight's question, I know it's a question that I have already asked in the past, but it's a super important one so that I can make sure I'm including items that you actually need going forward in the coming months. So I want you to leave me a comment down below and let me know what are some items that you want to focus on couponing to add it into your stockpile before the winter season arrives. Let me know down below in the comments. Share this video with your friends and family members too that want to learn how to coupon, or maybe they just want to learn to save a little bit of extra money here and there so that I can get these deals out to them and help them too. Oh, and one more thing. If you're interested in my brand new 100-page coupon planner book full of pages that will help you to write out your couponing deals so much significantly easier, they are finally available over on Amazon, and I will have the information down below in the video description as well as in the comment section. And to those of you that have already purchased one, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. And I would love it if you would take a moment of your time and leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of them and how they turned out. I would really love the feedback. So let's get started with these deals. Now, starting right out of the gate, I am doing a deal that includes an item that we almost never get coupons for, but it is an awesome laundry cleaning supply. Borax Laundry Detergent Booster. If you haven't tried this product, you are missing out. I promise you. It gets stains out so well. I love soaking my laundry in it. Awesome product. So for our first deal here, grab one box of the Borax Detergent Booster, one bottle of extra laundry detergent, one medium-sized bottle of Gain Fabric Softener, one small bag of Tide Pods, as well as one of the Febreze plugins. After all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to just $14.70 plus tax, for a 48% off savings, which isn't bad when you consider we didn't even have a coupon for the Borax. Moving on, if you have little ones and you want to stock up on draft, first of all, you know how expensive this stuff is. Please stock up on it now and don't pay full price for this stuff. It is such a small bottle for such an expensive price. You definitely want to coupon it. So for this deal, grab one bottle of Dreft laundry detergent, one box of the Colgate Optic White Pro toothpaste, and two Dawn Power Wash refills. Side note, if you didn't know, Dawn Power Wash works great as a stain remover. When my son was little and he'd have those blowouts, I'd spray his onesies with it, let it soak for a couple minutes, rinse it off, throw it in the laundry just as is, and it got nearly every single stain out. So I highly recommend this one. If you want to stock up on scent boosters, we have a lot of coupons for them this week. So this is a great deal for you. Grab one of the big bottles of Gain Fireworks. And I say that because if you haven't seen it already, these containers are huge. Then grab one medium Gain Fireworks as well as one of the Febreze fabric refreshers. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $15.15 plus tax, for a 45% off savings. We're paying a little less than $1 out of pocket than the big Gain Fireworks, and everything else ends up being free. That is my kind of couponing deal right there. Speaking of laundry cleaning supplies when you have little ones in the house, I am a huge fan of the Persil laundry detergent. Specifically, I like the one that is deep cleaning. If you didn't know, it is a great product for getting that urine smell out of clothes and bed sheets. If you have one that is constantly wetting the bed, you know, even when you wash it, when it comes out of the washer, it smells fine. It comes out of the dryer, and you can still smell that urine smell. So I love this stuff. I let it soak for a little bit, wash it like normal, and it works nearly every time. So definitely stock up on it. So grab one of the big bottles of Persil laundry detergent, one extra laundry detergent, one medium-sized bottle of Gain laundry detergent, and one Febreze plug-in. After all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to just $14.15 plus tax, for a 48% off savings. That is a lot of laundry detergent for such a cheap out-of-pocket. Here's another great deal to stock up on those big bottles of laundry detergent. And if you've been following my channel for a while, you know I am a big fan of the larger size bottles of laundry detergent so we don't run out of it nearly as fast. So grab one of the big bottles of Arm & Hammer laundry detergent, one bottle of extra laundry detergent, and 2 bottles of the Gain Power Blast sprays. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $13.76 plus tax for a 50% off savings. This week is a fantastic week to stock up on Tide. If you're a fan of Tide, don't let these coupons expire. You're going to regret it, I promise you. We have amazing coupons this week. So for this next deal, grab 1 bag of the Tide Pods Ocean Mist Scent Light Pods, 1 5-count pack of the Eric plug-in refills, and 1 of the Eric Essential Mist starter kits. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $13.95 plus tax for a 60% off savings. Now, if you want to save a little bit extra, you could totally substitute the Tide Pods Ocean Mist Scent Light Pods for 1 bag of the Tide Power Pods because we have a $3.50 coupon for those, so you'd save an extra 50 cents with this deal. Not bad. Moving on, we have a great all-over laundry supplies coupon deal that, of course, stocks up on those Tide Pods again. Because, like I said, this is a great week to stock up on them. Grab 1 bag of the Tide Pods Ocean Mist Scent Light Pods, 1 bottle of the Downy Rinse and Refresh for $6.95. In case you didn't know, there are 2 different sizes of this Downy Rinse and Refresh. Then grab 1 medium bottle of Gain Fabric Softener and 1 Febreze plug-in. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $12.35 plus tax for a 55% off savings. Here's a great deal to stock up on those big bottles of the Downy Fabric Softener. Now, side note, you could also substitute the Downy Fabric Softener for the big bottle of Gain Fabric Softener because this $3 off coupon works off both brands. So just pick whichever one you would like best. So for this deal, grab 1 big bottle of Downy Fabric Softener, 2 Gain Power Blast sprays, and 1 small bag of Tide Pods. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $13.96 plus tax for a 50% off savings. Speaking of the big bottle of Gain Fabric Softener, here's another great deal to stock up on it. Grab 1 big bottle of Gain Fabric Softener, 2 of the Febreze Unstoppables cans, and then 1 bottle of Downy Calm Fabric Softener. If you have not tried this Downy Calm Fabric Softener, it smells amazing. It is my go-to one to wash all of my bedding, and it smells so good. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $12.70 plus tax for a 51% off savings. Hands down, one of my favorite coupons we got this week is the Palmolive Ajax BOGO coupon. I was so shocked when I opened the Dollar General app on Sunday and saw this coupon because it used to be one of my favorite coupons every month. We used to get it nearly every single month, whether or not it was the BOGO or sometimes it was a buy 2, get 1 free. It was one of my favorites, and I'm not sure we've had it at all this year. So, of course, my dish soap stockpile was getting rather low, and you know we can't have that. So, we are definitely stocking up on it this week. So, for this deal, grab 1 bottle of extra laundry detergent, 1 of the big bottles of Gain Fireworks, and 2 Palmolive dish soaps for $3.50 each. After all coupons, total out of pocket comes down to just $15.20 plus tax for a 47% off savings. Now, if you're looking for even more Dollar General couponing deals to choose from, you're going to want to check out the comments down below or the video description. I'll have it in both places for a 1-week free trial for my Patreon page. Now, my Patreon page is where I post my complete Dollar General couponing deals list from week to week because most weeks I write significantly more couponing deals than I have time to format into YouTube deal videos, as much as I really wish I could find time to do all of them. So I upload it as an easy to download PDF file to my Patreon page. Now it means you can either download it to your smartphone, a tablet, or you can print off whatever section you want. And I keep all of the deals separated, and these all include the major categories of things that you want to save on for your family. We're talking Gain products because, of course, it's Dollar General. We got to have the Gain deals. We have cleaning supplies, laundry supplies, toilet paper, paper towels, personal care products. We have Tide and a cheap out-of-pocket deals list and a diapers deals list included. This is an awesome way to level up your couponing here. I've basically done all the work for you. All you got to do is download the list or print off whatever section you want. Like I said, you pick the deal deals you want to do, you clip the coupons, you go to the store, and you are easily ready to go. I almost stumbled on my words there. So if you are interested, make sure you check it out. And to my existing Patreon subscribers, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. I'm telling you, sometimes when I do these deal videos, they are just full of tongue twisters for me. But I've learned a while ago that I don't edit them out. I think it makes me a little bit more personal, right? I'm human. I make mistakes. So thank you so much for watching today's deal video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the thumbs up like button. I would really appreciate it. If you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, take a moment, show my channel some love, and tap that subscribe button. Join our LoveLiveSave couponing community. We would love to have you here. And while you're at it, click on that little notification bell right next to the subscribe button and turn on all notifications. Super, super important step. That way, whenever I post my couponing deal videos, and like I said, I post 2 of them every day of the week, I want you to save as much money as you possibly can. Or when I do one of my fun Couponing After Dark live chats that I will be returning to doing now that I am finally feeling better. I inherited some preschool cooties that were gnarly, y'all. Gnarly. You're going to receive a notification about it. You're going to be one of the first people to know when I post or when I go live, and you're not going to miss out. And I will see you in the next video.